Let us see nearness to the sea. This is another factor which affect the climate. You may experience same day, same altitudes, different type of a climate. There is a mild climate in Biratnagar, where there is the extreme climate in Dhangadi or Mahendranagar. Why it happens so? Because Dhangadi and Mahendranagar, this place lies very far from the sea, whether as Biratnagar or Dharan, it lies nearer to the sea or Bay of Bengal. Now let us see. As soon as there is a sunshine or there is a summer season, okay, consider this as a summer season and winter season also. Summer season, there is a long duration of a daytime. Early in the morning, sun rises from 5:30 and it sun sets at the 7. The duration of a daytime is a more. Sun rays, the heat amount receives large amount of a heat. So it happens in such a case. How it goes on? Let me explain. Sun rays received by sea, sun rays received by land at a one time. As we know, the specific heat capacity of a water and specific heat capacity of a rock is different. Specific heat capacity, that means the energy required to raise a 1 degree Celsius of a temperature for 1 kg of mass of a water. Okay, when sunrise here, 42,000 joule per kg degree Celsius as my concern, that is the specific heat capacity of a water. Okay, so it is known as a universal cooler agent also. So it takes a long duration of a time to heat sea water. As you see, at the same time, this will be the heatest. This is the rock. Rock gets quickly heat, and it will quickly also heat gain is fast. Heat loss is also fast. So at the same time, in the land level of a land, the air molecules, it became hot and it raise off. At the hot air raise off, it is being displaced by those air which is just above the sea level, which is cold. So this cold air replaced the hot air, and convectional air current is set out near the seashore. So the seashore remains mild, either it is summer or in the winter, no problem is there. As we move far from here, okay, as we move far from sea level, see the temperature automatically increase in 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, this counter line shows the increasing of a temperature of 1 degree Celsius only. These are the counter line, okay, which shows you the average temperature of the place. So as you move inland, as we go inland, then the temperature is arise. Okay, Nepalganj temperature, think about during the daytime, during the summer season in Nepalganj, okay, because it is inland. See, where is the sea and where is Nepalganj? That sea is the nearest point of a sea is Bay of Bengal, and the nearer point is Biratnagar or Kakarvita, there may be, okay, and it is will be the far for the Nepalganj and Dhangadi, okay, they lies here, okay, and our Biratnagar and Kakarvita, they lies here. This is the Bay of Bengal, okay. During daytime or during summer season, it happens like this. What happened at the night time or what happened at the winter? You could imagine the sun rise at the 7:30 or somewhere 7 o'clock in the winter season, and then it sets at the 5:15 or 5. Okay, the duration of a daytime is very short, so the heat loss will high here. Or you see near the seashore at the night time, as soon as the night falls, okay, there again specific heat capacity remains same. Water and land has a less amount of a specific heat capacity, and that's why it lost it quickly. But see, water has a great amount of a specific heat capacity rather than the land, so sea cool late than the land. जमीन भन्दा चाहिँ पानीको विशिष्ट ताप धारण शक्ति हो कि इट इज नेपाली, अनि बढी हुने हुनाले पानी चाहिँ ढिलो चाहिँ सेलाउँछ र ढिलो तातिन्छ, जमिन छिटै तातिन्छ र छिटै सेलाउँछ। अनि जहाँ चिसो हुन्छ त्यहाँ त्यो माथिको एबभ द सर्फेस एयर रिमेन्स कोल्ड, हेर्नुहोस् त, एयर रिमेन्स कोल्ड, एयर रिमेन्स कोल्ड, एयर रिमेन्स हट, एयर रिमेन्स हट। वाइ? यो सर्फेस चाहिँ तातो छ अनि यसको माथिको एयर मोलिक्युल्स पनि हट हुन्छ। यो सर्फेस चिसो छ अनि यो सर्फेस चिसो छ, यसको माथिको एयर पनि चिसो हुन्छ। सो अलवेज हट एयर बिन डिस्प्लेस बाई कोल्ड एयर। अनि यसरी कन्भेक्सनल करेन्ट सेट आउट। अनि अघि गर्मीमा 33 डिग्री सेल्सियस भएको ठाउँमा त हेर्नुहोस् त 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस हुँदो रहेछ जाडोमा है। काउन्टर लाइनले 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस देखाएछ। एन्ड यु मुभ टुवर्ड्स द सी, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, द टेम्परेचर इज increasing and the sea point there is a mild climate, there is a no change of climate during the whole 365 days within the year.